All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your discussion board here, Urban America Town Hall discussion. So first off, a town hall is usually when members of a community will get together to discuss certain problems or issues their community is facing. So this is what we mean by a town hall. So what I'd like you to do is think that you are back in the end of the 1800s, early 1900s. And again, a town hall is when citizens and elected officials, of a community get together to discuss certain issues or problems they are facing. Imagine that you are living in urban America during the late 1800s as a member of one of the groups below. So either a laborer in a factory or a worker in a factory, an immigrant who is new to the United States, a farmer, an African American activist, or a reformer who supports political and economic changes. So pick one of those members to choose to represent. Choose a role to present yourself as for the town hall discussion. What are your concerns about urban America and your life? How do you plan to solve the issues you are facing? And there is an opportunity here for some extra credit. If you respond to another classmate, just remember to be polite and kind. I will give you some extra credit for doing so. So again, thinking about these different people and the challenges and things they were looking for to maybe make their lives better at the end of the 1800s, and that'll help you with that activity there. So please let me know of any questions or concerns. Good luck. Have fun.